Welcome to my channel, Mash Artist Makeup. Today I'm going to show how to clean your strip lashes. This is a great way to reuse your favorite pair of lashes. So we're going to be using a astringent or a toner, even witch hazel works for this. Micellar cleansing water, or if you do not have micellar water, any eye makeup remover or oil remover, some round cotton pads, and next we will show you my dirty lashes. I have used these a few times, so they've got some buildup on them. They show, if I was to put them on, they would look like they had glue on them. So they're just not pretty to use, but they're still in great quality and great condition, so I want to clean them so I can get a little more life out of them. Definitely good contenders for today's video. And then just some paper towels to keep things tidy. I have a old eye cream container I like to use, but you can use a shot glass, a cup, anything really to hold your mix of cleansing liquids. I just like this because I can throw the lid on it and then let it sit. Again, we'll start with that astringent or toner, witch hazel, whatever works. And you're going to pour about half of your container full of that, of your toner. Next, we're going to use our micellar water, or like I said, you can use any eye makeup remover or oil-based makeup cleanser. We're going to put some of that in to fill it up to the rest, making sure we go just about a half and half recipe between the two. It doesn't need to be exact on, and if you have a little more buildup, maybe a little bit extra of that cleanser or cleansing water would be great. Here's my dirty lashes. I'm just dunking them right into there, kind of folding them up. Don't really worry about the shape. I mean, try not to bend them harsh so they create a crease, but kind of just throwing them in there so they do get fully submerged in your cleansing liquids. And then we're just going to kind of let them sit in there. Again, I'm showing you how I do it. You can use a shot glass, and these are the two products I use. They're just the easiest to find at most stores and the most inexpensive. I sometimes will let this sit overnight. For the purpose of this video, I only let it sit about an hour. So the longer you let it sit, the easier that glue buildup will be able to remove. But either way, it's a pretty good fix. I mean, it won't work if you are going to do it right before. So now kind of reshape them and lay them out. And then we're going to put a little more of that toner, or at this point you can use rubbing alcohol, witch hazel, anything that's going to clean off the skunky, sticky stuff that those lash glues leave behind. Using that on a cotton round or a Q-tip if you don't have cotton rounds, and just kind of gently pulling that line to loosen up any debris. Look, see, we're already getting mascara off, some glue. The stuff works pretty well, I will say. Now I'm going to use my nails, or if you don't have long nails like I do, some tweezers, or even, any kind of scraping tool to get off that buildup that is kind of chunky, and it will come off in little chunks. So you can see a close-up of it, and it's just a really nice way to get all that stuff off without damaging the lashes. Sometimes I like to hold it on the cotton pad itself with soaked in toner and just use my nails to kind of pull it down so it sticks right to the cotton round itself. And then when I feel like I've got it all off, I do one more solid douse of toner or witch hazel rubbing alcohol and kind of saturate it so any oils from that cleansing solution I used kind of come off, so they're not there to later when I lay these out to dry. They don't have any oily residue that would make it so you can't reapply them at ease. Here they are, all dried off, looking brand new. You are so able to reuse these and they don't even look like they've been worn. That's my tips for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.